Dear children, in the previous class we discussed certain points. Let's recollect the points together, okay? We studied that plants are useful to us in many ways like food, medicine, spices, industrial uses, etc. We use different plant parts such as leaves, stem, fruits, seeds, flowers, etc. as food. Underground stem and storage roots are present in plants and are also edible. Examples for underground stem are potato, colocasia, elephant yam, greater yam, ginger, turmeric, etc. Examples for storage roots include tapioca, carrot, beetroot, radish, sweet potato, etc. Okay, do you remember? Now I will tell you a story. In 17th century, a scientist named von Helmont planted a small plant in a pot. He weighed the soil and just gives water only for 5 years. After 5 years, the plant grows and now the total weight becomes 74 kilograms and the soil had lost only 52 grams. So the plant can make 74 kilograms of new growth from water alone. So what is the process taking place here? Plants can prepare their own food materials. Am I right? This process is called photosynthesis. Let's read the paragraph in textbooks that deals with photosynthesis in page number 9. Okay. Now read it aloud. Read it minimum for 5 times. Okay. So you read carefully. Do you read the paragraph 5 times? Okay. Now let us discuss the points you wrote. Okay. What are the factors or otherwise called ingredients for making the food? Can you understand from the paragraph? Now let's observe the picture. Now you can tell what are the factors needed for photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis needs some of the factors. Which are they? Can you tell it from the picture? There is another picture for you. We understand from the picture that they need water. How they get water? By absorbing through roots. This water also contains minerals. They need carbon dioxide. How they get carbon dioxide? This carbon dioxide is absorbed through the minute pores in leaves. Okay. Then, what is the next thing? They need photosynthesis is taking place in the presence of sunlight. So, sunlight is also essential. Where did it take place? In the leaves. Okay. So, we can conclude that photosynthesis needs water and minerals, carbon dioxide, sunlight, and taking place in the leaves. There is a special molecules in leaves called pigment molecules. That is chlorophyll, which gives green color to the leaves. This process taking place in the chlorophyll molecules of leaves. Okay. So we can understand that plants prepare their own food using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. This process taking place in the chlorophyll molecules of leaves is called photosynthesis. The product of photosynthesis is glucose. Now let's formulate a definition for photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Can you say? Now you can see it in the screen. Okay, plants prepare their own food using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. This process taking place in the chlorophyll molecules of leaves is called photosynthesis. The product formed is glucose. Now you have to take down this definition to your science notebook and study well. Okay. There are 2 activities for you today. I will show you the activities. The first activity is there. Activity number 1. Draw the diagram of a plant showing the factors participating in the process of photosynthesis. Okay, you know the factors, which are they? Water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, okay, and leaves. There are certain pictures I show you in this class also, okay. Otherwise you can draw the picture seen in the textbook also, okay. Now another activity number 2 is here for you. There is another activity number 2 in the screen. Plant some pea seeds to soil taken in plastic bag. Water the plant and place it inside your house when no sunlight is entering or in dark corner. Observe the plant for 6 days. Write your observations in your science notebook with date. Okay. The observations will show after 6 days. Okay, that is enough for today. Rest in the next class. Please do the activities correctly and neatly. Okay.